It is. What's that?
It is.
4:01 in the morning. We are in the airport and very sleepy.
I'm not.
Oh no, Catherine's not, apparently.
Just running off no sleep, it's fine. I'll crash later.
Where are we going?
Wee wee.
She's got the birthday girl badge somewhere. Oh, there.
Just wait for the birthday for a week.
Yes, she's playing the birthday girl.
Because you don't get any free stuff. Week of birthday.
Let's see what happens. Okay, this is not yours. Boo boo out.
Hi. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
It's over the gas.
That's what your perception of it.
That's how big it is. It's Emma.
It's Emma, I can see that. It's Emma.
My best friend's a diamond.
Yeah. Show you my ears whilst I'm here.
Going well.
Rainy's alright. Rainy's fine.
We'll buy one of them.
I've got one. No, that's that.
Oh, that's that. I didn't even notice after all that. Is that bad? Are we blind?
Yes.
Does the green paint work?
Yes,
It's a conspiracy.
Focusing on it.
You can't even tell that these are here. It's got ears there. Oh my god,
You've got ponchos. That's some like actual ponchos.
got ponchos.
God help me.
It's the really expensive hotel. It's the hotel.
Look, it's a hotel.
The hotel. Sorry, I'll calm down now.
It's very, very, very rainy. But that's okay.
I want the rain
okay.
with me, but I don't care. The castle's over there. Castle's over there.
We're in Disneyland and it's pissing it down.
Catherine, no,
But it's okay because I have a hoodie.
I do not. I need to buy.
I have ears and a dream.
It's fun. Put him on. I can't remember any of the words.
There goes the clever gent.
Yeah.
And now the girls be like. There's my train! You can go and sit on it. Yes. There's a storybook store. Yes, they sell books. Yeah. Oh my god, it's huge. It's huge.
Great, like it.
It's Winnie the Pooh. So cute. It's Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, it's Winnie the Pooh. Look at it. Try again.
Welcome to my house. Would you like to come in?
There is a dragon.
What a mess.
What are we having, Laura? What are we about to eat? See the pancakes?
What you call them? What are we having? A
Abelskiva. Oh, a snack. A snack. A snack is being had. Boo is eating a snack. This is the second donut you've had today. What time is it? 1 o'clock. She got the goods. Drink. Oh. Hello. How do we feel? How do we find the queue?
There's 6 people in it.
Wonderful. I'm not gonna drop it in the water. Weirdos. Oh no.
Eso mañana por la mañana.
Where? Oh my goodness. They've stopped it. Wouldn't you die?
I would.
Yeah, I'd cry at that point.
That'll be off for the rest of the day now, watch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. On to Phantom Manor we go. Hi.
Left Disneyland Paris. It was a bit behind us,
All right.
and we're now in New York.
Oh, okay.
Spider-Man's flung around a few times. The Avengers are in. Me and Faye have gassed. The Avengers are in. The Quintet's in. Yes. Okay. I've got some nana. Are they lovely? Io stavo pensando da Indiana Jones, l'unica che... Very stressful.
I'm totally falling over on all of this, I promise. Not having a breakdown.
There's an X-wing.
Yep. Right, Ellie.
And Wally and Eve.
Really cool.
25 minutes.
Star Tours is 25 minutes, that's an X-wing. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
We're on the floor?
I'm on the floor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ouchie.
Ouchie.
But welcome to my house again.
Welcome to our house again.
My house is doing very nice. I'm going to put my thing on.
Nice to meet for a change.
Catherine's about to change into a Dementor.
I took my ears off. They're doing me head in. Are you putting your raincoat on?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
We're in the Isle of Sandwich. It's 10 o'clock. We've been moving and grooving since 3:15 yesterday. We've been awake since 11 p.m. yesterday. No?
11 p.m.
11 a.m. Some of us. Some of us have been awake since 11 a.m. yesterday. Some of us have been awake since 8 o'clock yesterday.
I think I was 8 o'clock after the
Lazy bone. And we have to be up at 6:30 tomorrow to make use of the magic hour. Otherwise, what is it? And I've also accidentally ordered 3 footlongs, so I don't know how big this sandwich is going to be. And then we can see. Can we see her? There. How do I zoom in there? Left. Oh yeah, look, she's looking at us. Oh, she looks a bit amused. Catherine is in the queue, waiting, looking very amused. Behind that man. Behind that man. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? There she is. Anyway. Boo boo out. Boo boo out. Press the button. Press the button. Hello, I'm trying to focus and they're singing Billy Joel. Hello. Oh, hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
What time is it?
25 to 8 our time, so 25 to 7 their time.
Wonderful. We're about to go for breakfast.
And
we forgot our reservation for Pim Kitchen was today, so we're doing that today as well.
Woo!
Oh yeah?
Clashing IPs, I have Star Wars and Marvel.
Nobody cares about IPs. Kat's got a new
I
jacket.
got a new jacket, which is a low-key one, and it zips up says low-key, it's got him on the back, and I got a new bag.
Wonderful.
I'm just stuffing my new Disneyland Paris jacket into the little bag it came with.
How's it going?
Great. Oh, incredible.
Wonderful.
Like a sleeping bag. It's very for like camping, I think. No, he needs to buy something before.
Okay.
Into the bag.
That's so good.
Come on, Kat.
I got a Christmas jumper.
A Christmas jumper in September. He's coming into the bin. And.
And it's a small world umbrella.
And what does it have?
A button. What did I do for the break?
Don't be deceived by the sun. It's not as warm as it looks.
No, it's crafts.
Any final words for the camera on this trip?
Chilly. Big Thunder Mountain.
Big Thunder Mountain, okay. And there's the gas. Over the walls.
Good. Good.
Let's go ride Star Tours.
Lovely.
We got very, very, very lucky with Big Thunder, didn't we?
We did.
Oh my god, yes.
It broke down as soon as we got off it. Wonderful. There you go.
the park, right? Keeping your hands and arms outside. And no
Veuillez rester correctement assis, s'il vous plaît. Stay correctly seated, please.
Ne manquez pas une panoramique impressionnante.
Here's this one.
Traversons maintenant ce grand world. Célèbre les enfants du monde entier.
Go back there for your princess and then you can get changed if you want and then we can go off for a lot of stuff.
Merci Friday. Bonjour à tous et bienvenue au Avengers Campus. Je vois d'ici beaucoup de potentielles nouvelles recrues.
All of them come out at once.
Today has created its own real-time translation device to help you better enjoy the presentation. We hope you all have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. Nous vous souhaitons une excellente visite durant cette journée portes ouvertes de la Web Engineering Brigade. Et voici notre chef de projet, Peter Parker.
Comment ça va? Je suis Peter Parker. Ici chez Web, on a accès à une super technologie, comme le vibranium du Wakanda ou ce fluide extraterrestre dément. On a une partie.
Huh? Both sides.
Greetings! Anyways, it's time to play. Your fellow toys await your ride.
Cheese. Take. Ratatouille. Du gelato. What do you think they?
À bientôt et bon appétit. Et lui, non?
Si vous restez à la traîne, ne verrez jamais ce qui vous attend.
Unmade, so full screens. Put them in the middle for my picture, please.
But friends. Catherine's friends fell off. Mine is Sebastian. He is my friend. He is my shoulder pal. I'm sure everybody else's shoulder pal when I figure it out. It's on his chin. You need to put it on his chin.
This is horrendously difficult.
There you go.
His chin needs a rest.
Okay.
And then
I think his name is Lumily. Doesn't they call him Susan? Samantha.
But that's just a random person.
fun.
I don't know what Samantha. Traumatizing. Wow. Literally traumatizing.
I don't usually make the low-pitched noises on rides, but my breathing this time we went up, I went, wow. But it's good, I enjoyed it. I like that one. And we've been on Ratatouille, and Crush's Coaster, which we went on, and the queue was usually hours and hours long, and we got on in 2 seconds. And we didn't realise what we were getting ourselves in for because we got on in 2 seconds.
I got a golden ticket.
Faye's got a golden ticket. Why have you got a golden ticket? Oh, Faye's got a pass. A pass is a golden ticket.
Why have you got a golden ticket?
But that was also quite traumatising. So yeah. Any last words?
It's a good job my bacon for breakfast had digested.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Okay.
Admirez le plus gros écrou de roue du monde. Katia! Oh, yes! Yes!
Ka-chow.
Merci.
Alright, everyone. We're making a short scheduled stop here in the canyon. Remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram. Nice. Whoa. This canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence.
I got it.
chocolate covered strawberries.
And how are they?
Very good.
At 10?
It's like an 8.5.
What could make them a 10?
The chocolate could be sweeter. The strawberries could be more strawberry. But it's very refreshing.
Now do you have more strawberries though? I'm very confused.
Okay, well this is the end of Laura's strawberry eating but covered in chocolate segment. Come back later where she probably eats something else.
Right, straight in now.
C'est particulière.
Play the conte de fées.
What if it's for fair?
Play the conte de fées.
Well, that's special. They stopped the boat for
We
me.
got our own boat, look.
Can I point out though that if they hadn't stopped the boat, we would have ended in the water.
No. They'd stopped the moving platform, it was very stressful. Play the conte de fées.
Now, everyone, keep your hands inside. Inside the boat.
Inside the boat.
Hands inside.
Oh, Blanche Neige.
So like Rapunzel.
Hi ho. Hi ho. There's Rapunzel.
Hercules over there. Look, Hercules is over there.
Oh, Hercules is over there. Mount Olympus. There you go. Ah, look at that one.
Oh, it's so pretty. They're all on enough.
Yeah.
If you There's Kevin. There's Kevin. Up there. There's Kevin.
June is coming round the track, coming round the track.
Hello. Where are you?
Hello.
Good day.
I'm here.
Yes, you
in
are.
the shade.
Very
Looks of it.
close.
But look, I was into different parts.
I know. Laura's just gone for a wee. We've just done Kiss Junior and Le Conte.
The face.
It's the bookstore. It was very good. I enjoyed very much so.
good.
Very fun. Yes. Okay, we're now gonna do
Teacups?
teacups and carousel. And I'm gonna go pew pew Buzz Lightyear.
Yes. Fun.
Bye.
Keep your hands and arms inside.
She's a fiend. She's a fiend.
No? We go. Hello. On the Bobby horse. On the baby Bobby horse. I don't want
Probably use a painting with signs to hide the entrance, right? Let's be
Piggy sandwich. Told to film the Croque Bonjours. They felt left out.
Croque Bonjour.
Croque Bonjour. Croque Bonjour.
For your safety, please fasten your seat.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is a day early, but we're pretending it's today.
Minnie Mouse. Okay, let's go and tell it.
Yeah, it's a bit icy.
Okay.
People are running. He's like some more. Got my ears on. That's very cute. Sorry, I'm not making music. It's
We'll go this way. We'll go this way.
Alpha cells will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. The Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize his secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them.
We're on the horsey track. And a pony. Here's the pony.
Disquette, c'est reçu. T'as bien entendu. Toi, tu l'appelles pas en disant.
Thank you, Mr. Horsey. Mario, Mario.
Puja, puja.
Yeah. Yeah, they're fine. Yeah, that would be. Hi. 30 photos.
Hello, we're taking pictures.
Okay.
We are on another form of main street transport. We're now on a double-decker bus. Too scared to get to hold hands.
I'm not scared. I am a little. I'm holding the hand, I'm being supportive.
I'm not afraid to admit it. A little scared.
I feel very unstable.
Can you? I'm hungry. This is a public service announcement. Popcorn is banned for 2 months after this vlog. Muchas gracias. Good night. Good morning. You may be expecting to see an electrical sky parade right now, but we left the camera in the hotel. Happy birthday to Karen.
Hi, shall I be human? Yeah, it's okay.
Bouffant. We've finally reached Bouffant stage and we're leaving.
The water.
We are now going to pack to go home. Room tour.
Silent room tour. Yeah.
Well, you can give commentary if you want.
Is that your job?
I don't need to give commentary. Why don't... This did have a bunch of makeup on it yesterday, but it doesn't now because they packed it away.
I'm offended.
Here's Catherine's birthday badge.
1 of 2. 1 of 2.
She's that special, she gets 2. Boo boo out.
Boo boo out.
We are on the Magic Hotel.
Like a minute. That's good in the hat. Is that a gorgeous angle?
Huh? Hi. Okay. Play. Play.
The handle's so fluffy. I know.